Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. No need to say how important wiper blades are on your car. Without them, driving during rain or snow would be practically impossible. Over time, mostly due to material fatigue, the wiper blades wear out, which then results in lower visibility while driving. So, noticing bad wiper blades on time is a matter of safety, and this video will show you how to do that, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Smears on the windshield. The first sign of worn out wiper blades is that they start to smear. Instead of a clean, spotless wipe, every pass will leave streaks and smears all over the windshield. At first, the smears may appear only in one place. Later, as the wiper blade gets more worn out, the smears will be all over the windshield. A screeching sound. Next, you will start hearing a strong screeching sound when you turn on the wiper blades. The screeching may at first be occasional, later it's present all the time. This sound also appears when the wiper blades are okay, but the windshield is dry, so first try adding some wiper fluid and see if it goes away. If the screeching is present all the time, even during rainfall, you have to change the wiper blades for sure. The wiper blades chatter and jump. Besides all these symptoms, you'll also notice that the blades jump, chatter, and skip when wiping. This usually happens when the wiper blades are severely damaged. One more common reason for this symptom are twisted or damaged wiper arms, so if you encounter only this symptom, first check if the wiper arms are okay. Damaged rubber on the wiper blades. If you notice all of these symptoms, it would then be best to check the wiper blades, namely the rubber on them. If you see that the rubber is cracked, chipped, or torn, the wiper blades have to be replaced. In most cases, the damaged rubber blade is the cause of all the previous symptoms. Damaged wiper blade frames. Finally, if you notice that the metal frames holding the wiper blades are damaged or deformed, it's definitely time to change them. The metal frame holds the rubber in place and in the proper position, so if it's faulty, there's no good wiping for sure. As soon as you notice the smearing on the windshield, check the wiper blades. If you see that the rubber is damaged, buy new ones as soon as possible. You also have an option to replace only the rubber part of the wiper blades, but in most cases this isn't worth the time unless the wiper blade is hard to find. As mentioned, wiper blades are a matter of safety, so be sure to change them on time and especially before going on a road trip. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.